What's good, everybody? So it is March 20th. It's a Saturday, and it is for some reason 78 degrees in here. Jesus. It's 11:35 p.m. and I just finished mixing for the day. I usually do my mixing on Saturdays. Now I'm getting ready. You can tell I'm probably a little bit excited to clear and gut out this room. It has been a pain in the ass looking at the disorganization on the other side, which y'all get to see in the streams. That's what looks the best in here. On the other side is just it's a hot ass mess. So the homie Ogosh and homie Nicholas Gray and CJ actually made me some panels, so I'll have some legit panels in here. And I trust the homie Ogosh and his feng shui. I don't know where he get them design skills from, but if you ever seen his studio, what is that? I ain't smoking nothing. It's magnifique. It's amazing. I didn't want to quite do what he did because that's his imprint. It's like an all white setup. I'm thinking we're doing like pretty much predominantly black setup in terms of the black panels, in terms of like a lot of the equipment my speakers are. So I want to kind of keep a theme going, but man, who knows at this point. So right now it's my responsibility to gut out the room and get ready. The biggest eyesore, aside from just those chords, I guess, which is just, that's gonna be a task in itself, is this whiteboard. As much as I enjoy having it for organization's sake, I just don't use it enough. And I love my Nipsey posters. I'm keeping those up, but I wanted to find a better way to utilize this wall. So let me show you what I got. Boom, boom. So these 3D panels are gonna go up there. Let's see. Let's take a little test drive. See how them lights hit off of there real quick, though? You feel me? Like, I feel like that's about to be hard. I don't know. We got some two-sided tape. It's gonna hopefully keep these things up. We're gonna see. All right, so here's the final cleanup and what it looks like. I don't know if I'm tripping, but it feels like it's so much more room in here. I mean, obviously everything is moved out of it, but it feels a lot more spacier without that studio foam. Those wedges up there kind of felt like a crazy asylum for a second. It's definitely more roomy in here, so I can only imagine when the homie Ogosh comes over what it's gonna look like when he brings the panels that he and Nicholas made. I still got the Nano Leaf. I actually took down the other one. It was just falling apart. It was an older one than the one I have up there, but nonetheless, I can only imagine when we finally, what is it, 2:48 in the morning right now? It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. It took like 4 hours to finish this, but damn it, I did it. Cleaned the walls, and I'm ready to go to bed. Let me kind of show you a little bit of what's going on over here. Got my desk over here. It's looking like somebody's storage closet over here. But yeah, so nothing left to do but to turn these damn lights off and go to sleep. Come back to it in the morning. I can't wait. I'm looking forward to it. It's been way too long, especially with this, what I call a parametric equalizer 19, panorama 19. You just get sick of your workplace after being in here so long and spending so much time with it. It's really easy to just get sick of your setup. I can tell you right now, just based upon getting rid of the foam and just moving stuff around and vacuuming, I don't know what it is, but I feel like a mental load off my back. I feel like I can breathe in here. I think I had too much going on in here. The goal is to try to have a studio in here that I look forward to coming back and forth to and just peeking and taking a look at. So we're gonna see. See y'all in the morning. So as you guys can see, I've got a little help from reinforcements today.
Hey guys.
Oh gosh.
This
right?
Fire. I like these already.
Okay. Especially when the lights hit off of there. That's the thing I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
I took down the Nano Leafs because they were already falling apart.
Oh, okay.
We might even have more than what that wall is, low-key. I looked at it and I was like...
so hold that one up.
A stack is a lot.
Let me see how many would fit on one wall. So yeah, I think 4.
Alright, I'll hold these two. Get another one. Because it also doesn't need to go all the way down either.
Yeah, no, it can be there and
4 here.
Yeah, so it's 4 of them. Yeah, but the question is, how many could we get across the entire wall?
So what do you guys think is the most challenging thing about this room? Like, just how it is? I know it's small.
It ain't no challenge. That's the thing.
That's how you feel?
Nah, I mean, really just where to put the panels. That's literally it. What do you think?
Yeah, that's mostly the biggest challenge. I think the basis of any good studio is where you put in the desk, and I think you already had it in a perfect place. So as long as we can find a place to put the panels, it's funny, you can already hear it's a little bit.
I'm about to say, how is it that I had a wall full of the foamy stuff, but how is it that you put a few of these panels in it? What is it about the panels? Because you guys make, by the way, if you guys didn't know, these dudes made these from scratch. The homies made these from scratch. Are you kidding me? What is it about, I mean, I don't want to give y'all your trade secret away, but just in general, about the panels, they're already a good look in here, but what makes them like work the way they do? Because I can hear the difference.
Honestly, I think because we have the insulation that we use, one, it's for housing, so that's extremely high density, but we actually designed the panels to be an inch smaller than the actual insulation, how big it is, so it fits in there. So it's actually packing insulation into a smaller space. To compress that sound dampening material means that it actually works really, really well no matter where it's placed. So you put your ear up to one of these bad boys and it's just like,
You can definitely hear the difference.
you can absolutely hear the difference.
All right, here's another reveal. The homie Nicholas Gray and hooked up this wall right here with all of this stuff going on here, man. This is yikes. This, look at the light flickering off. I feel like I'm in Space Mountain, baby. Oh my gosh. Still made room for the posters. These men, they made these from scratch with their bare hands. It's crazy. This is the part that is causing me the only anxiety left. The cord management, because I'm so bad at it.
I'm gonna try to run straight up the back, but I'm gonna Velcro it to this.
That's what she said?
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yeah, for the cord wrenches, I'm gonna have them come up the wall right here, and then Velcro it to this, so it's all behind.
Oh, word. Okay.
So what's up, y'all? Y'all stayed through the whole day, and you blessed me with an amazing studio. Do you know how much peace of mind that I have now? Do you realize how much peace of mind? Get this projector out my face.
It's now 1:36 a.m.
No, it's not 1:31. It's not 1:36 in the morning, is it? It's not.
Yo, we've been here for 12 hours.
12 hours to make this happen, but nonetheless, I'm hyped. I'm hyped at what this looks like. The fact that I have more space in here, I could do activities.
Look at all this floor space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities.
I can run side to side. This is amazing. I appreciate these dudes right here. Y'all took the time, built these panels. I got some handmade panels up in here, and you close the door. That's right, you don't hear shit.
No, this is definitely a vibe. Let's move this. Now it's complete.
Now it's complete. I'm sorry, we had stuff in the way. Yeah. Now I'm definitely going to be a cord minimalist. I'm gonna be a snub.
I'm gonna be wireless.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a anything I can get wireless in here, I will. I'm gonna be a cord snob. That's what I meant. Even the clouds got some lights too. Again, what are you talking about? Hey, that's it. This weak ass vlog is over with. See you later.